Hi, so welcome to the Violet STEAM Education tutorials. My name is Marissa, and in this video tutorial we're going to be learning how to create variables. So if we go back to the software, in the last tutorial this was the last program we ran, and it was designed to code the LEDs in a particular sequence, and we kept referring to the LEDs in this code as pin 13, pin 12, pin 11. Now we know from doing the last tutorial that pin 13 is the red LED, pin 12 is the green LED, and the pin 11 is the blue LED. But if you were to look at this code later down the track, you might actually forget which LED it's meant to correspond with. Would it be awesome if we could actually write, instead of 13, we could actually write red? Instead of pin 12, we actually can write green. Instead of 11, we can write blue. Well, in fact, you actually can, and this is where creating a variable comes in handy. So let's do exactly that. So in the datum block section, we want to click make a variable. Now I'm going to create the first variable. So that's red underscore LED. And here you go. So you have a range of blocks that are set up here. Now I want to replace pin 13 with the variable red LED. The thing is though, we know that the red LED is actually connected to pin 13, but the code actually doesn't know that. So to do that, we actually have to define that the red LED is in fact connected to pin 13. And I'll do this again to demonstrate it with the blue LED. So I'll make another variable. So blue underscore LED. And there you go, the blue LED has been set up. So I'm going to drag that out here, and we know that that's connected to pin 11. And then we also know that we have to define what blue LED stands for, and that's actually at pin 11. And so I'll do that. Also, later in your code, there's nothing wrong with having pin 13 and 11 later down your code, but it sort of defeats the purpose of you actually defining what the variable was to begin with. So I'll also replace those here. So that was meant for pin 13, and that was meant for for pin 11. I will leave it to you to decide if you want to name pin 12 as green, but other than that, that's basically how to create variables and why they're actually helpful in coding. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video.